Quiet on the set. We're rolling. Lights, camera, action. Moving pictures have revolutionized the way we depict and pass down our stories. Furthermore, by recording them, we have chronicled them so that they may live on forever, not only in our hearts and minds, but also on the silver screen. They've made us laugh, cry, cheer, and scream at the top of our lungs. But most of all, they have entertained us, inspired us, and even taught us how to speak. FYI English in Movies, Take 1. We'll unravel the many mysteries of learning English with movies on this week's episode of FYI.
Welcome to For Your Info.
English.
You got it.